my channel. Today I am going to give you a complete review of this amazing product, Swiss Beauty All About Lips Matte Lip Palette. 10 shades of matte lip colors at just rupees 240. Isn't it crazy, guys? At the end of this video, I am also going to give you the swatches of all the 10 shades in this palette. So watch this video till end. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and give it a thumbs up. So guys, let's get started. I have used these two shades for my today's look. This one I used for my lips and this one I used as blush and eyeshadow. I'm already obsessed with this look, guys. I love it. The name of the product is All About Lips Matte Lip Palette. This is a product by the brand Swiss Beauty. It is a Swedish brand. If you want to look amazing and you still want to stay within your budget, then trust me guys, this is the brand you're looking for. All the products of this brand are of a very good quality and are also budget friendly. It is not a sponsored video. I actually purchased this product from Amazon in May 2019. It is also available at other online stores like Nykaa, Purple.com, Flipkart, etc. This is so crazy, guys. You're getting 10 shades of lipstick at just rupees 240. Can you imagine that? Now let's talk about the packaging, guys. The packaging looks like this. It comes in this type of transparent box and you can see all the shades from the front. On the back, the number of the palette is given 01. It is also available in 02. I don't have 02, I just bought 01. On the back of the cover, they have also written that Swiss Beauty Lip Palette gives coordinated color combinations of intensely pigmented lip colors. Wear each shade alone or blend them all together for a totally customized look. Lightweight, long wear, smooth and easy to blend. After that, they have given all the ingredients here. The MRP of this product is $2.99, but we get 20% off on Amazon. This product was manufactured in 2019 and it can be used up to 2023. It means its shelf life is 4 years, which is a great thing. We get 10 grams of this product at this price, which is really good. When we open this box, we get this beautiful palette. I love the packaging. This is so sturdy, guys. It is not gonna break easily and it is very travel friendly. Now these are the 10 shades of the lip palette. All these shades are so beautiful. Swiss Beauty, you did a great job creating this product. The color coordination of this palette is brilliantly designed. They haven't named each shade, but that's okay. I guess these are 2 nude shades. These are 4 pink shades. This one is a peach color and these 3 are reds. All these lip colors are matte lip colors, which is suitable for everyday use as well as functions and parties. All these lip colors are beautifully pigmented and the texture is so creamy and so easy to blend. Can you see, guys? So easy to blend and so creamy. You can use a lip brush like this one to apply these lip colors. And if you don't have this brush, you can also use your fingers to apply these lip colors as lipstick, as blush and eyeshadow. As they say on the cover, it is actually a lightweight and long wear formula and it can stay up to 3 to 5 hours. These are definitely not smudge proof or transfer proof lipsticks, but that shouldn't be a problem at all because we are getting 10 beautiful lightweight matte lip colors at this price. This is a must-have product. The best part of buying a lip palette is that either we can use all these shades separately, or we can combine 2 or more different colors to create a new shade. The lip palettes we can also use to create different lip ideas like ombre lips, and we can also do lip contouring with these different colors to create more fuller looking lips. And we can also use these colors as blush and eyeshadow, as I did for my today's look. On Amazon, the minimum purchase quantity of this product was 2, so I had to buy 2 palettes, and I gave one to my mother and she loves this palette. This is the best product if you are buying makeup for the first time and you don't know what to buy. Then trust me guys, go for this palette, you won't be disappointed. Now it's time for the swatches guys. Make sure to moisturize your lips properly before applying any lip color. Highly recommend this product guys. It is a must-have product in your vanity, and I have given the buying link of this product in the description box below. And that's all for today, guys. See you in the next video. Stay safe, stay home. Love you guys.